What if I'm not broken? What if I was bracing? Ooh. They said think positive, but my body said no. They said manifest harder, while I was just trying to stay whole. I tried repeating the words, but my chest locked up. Turns out my nervous system doesn't respond to pressure, it responds to trust. What if I'm not